Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to have a look at the Belroy. If we've got time, we'll have a look at the Agir as well. Trying to get through some of these requests we've had now. Guys, if you want anything filmed, let me know. We'll go and do it. Plenty of shops and whatnot down this way. Supermarket in there. Little supermarket. Some of these little supermarkets you go in, they're huge. And they're like our corner shop type supermarkets. May look small on the outside. You end up getting lost in there. Belroy's just down on the corner. What did you say the Agir was, guys? What? It's just round from the Belroy apparently. Now we'll have a walk down there, see what we can see. Well, I hope you're all looking forward to a big party on the, is it the 21st of June? Apparently I hear that's the release date for the UK. It's ridiculous, isn't it? It's that far away. You thought he kept it to himself for a bit, wouldn't you? Okay, there's the Belroy. There we go now. It's coming down the back, I think. There you go, you might be able to hear me now. How much we're going to be able to see of this Belroy. Okay, it's all up there guys, I think. Can you imagine? I can't see any pool or anything. I'll have a, maybe try and have a look on the internet and try and get a pool for it. Okay, the pool is just over here. See my finger today. Just over the back there. She's on a busy corner, this one. Very busy road. Got a Japanese restaurant there. I don't think that's part of the hotel, maybe. Don't think it is. I think the hotel's just wrapped round it. And a cafe bar downstairs. Show the entrance around the corner. the entrance. So you have got a main road on that side of it. This now, it used to be a main road into town. It's one-way road now. Another one that looks a very nice hotel. Never been into this one actually, so hopefully later in the year we may be able to do a bit more on these hotels. Maybe they invite us in to do a video, you never know. Belroy is actually a 4-star. The boutique on the side there. More rooms over there. It's a well maintained hotel. So guys, just trying to find out where the other hotel is now.
Down the road.
It's just down the road. Okay, we'll carry on. We'll go down to the other one now. Looking for the Agir. There's so markers pointed out if we miss it. Here we go. There it is. This one's basically on the next corner down. Away from that busy road. The bar at the bottom. You've seen a sign over there for the Agir Springs. Maybe that's what it's called. There's the rooms. Can have a look at the side view in a minute. It doesn't actually say on the hotel. Okay guys, I don't know about that then. They got some kind of spring in there or something, I don't know. Okay, it's probably about 5 to 10 minutes out of town now. The new avenue they put up. There's been a lot of work on this in the last 18 months. Yeah, they put all new lights in, redone the path. This has been up for quite a few years. Got the contractors in this time and got it done. They've done a really good job of it, I think. So if you haven't been to Benidorm for a while, it's going to look a bit different. And there's a room for the Agir hotel. That's another side view. Well, I'm going to walk up here then, see if we can get a back view. Looks a small hotel, this one. We'll see the Belroy over there. Yes, that doesn't look a very big hotel at all. Just one block there. Obviously one of the smaller hotels. Right, the Agir. There's also that bit down there as well. Sorry guys, I missed this bit. So there's a bit of a small hotel with just that side bit. So there's a few more rooms there. And on the back. There's the entrance, obviously. Hope you enjoyed that, guys. Like and subscribe as normal, and we'll see you on the next one.